Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and what is this? Look at this box. It reminds me like of, what do you call it in English? A boat and a tie, you know what I mean? It's like an ornament, it's something you would wear, isn't it? Would you wear it down here? Nah. It's more like a suit and tie. I don't know where I'm going with this, but this is the Nothing Phone 1. And I hear you ask, why not the Nothing Phone 2? Well, this has just been on sale, and it may very well be on sale around your place also, because they want to get rid of the Nothing Phone 1 now that the Nothing Phone 2 has come out, right? I got mine for $230, and at that price I couldn't turn it down anymore. So let's have an unboxing and have a look. I didn't jump on the bandwagon first when this was released. And the reason why I didn't jump on it in the first place was because I was thinking to myself, why do we need another phone brand? Why do we need another OS to learn how to operate and stuff? Let's just have a quick look. Nothing Phone, blah, 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 blah. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. And I bought the black one because I just thought to myself, this is very odd. It's like, so am I seriously just supposed to rip this? It will rip the entire box, in my opinion. Isn't there like another way around of doing this? Okay, so now I've just confirmed. I just saw how you did it on YouTube. You really gotta just rip it the entire way around. So let's do it. I really don't like this. If this should be some kind of cool unboxing feature, I would rather be foruden, as you would say in Danish, without. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so I'm not supposed to like take it out of the box. Oh, that's pretty brilliant. Honestly, as you can tell by now, I really haven't seen any unboxing videos of this, so I really didn't know what to expect. So, is it coming out of the... No, it is not. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got this. And what I wanted to say, by the way, is it's got some weight to it. It's like almost half a kilo. So I would suspect this to be like a little more than just the phone, but I don't know for now. When already I'm a bit set off by the way this is packaged. So we got this stupid USB-C to USB-C. And what is this? Safety information, warranty information. Okay, that's a thumbs up, I would say, to have this all in one, because normally you have a lot of small leaflets. Oi, and you have a very sweet SIM tray thing. Isn't that sweet? Looks like something from a syringe, right? Oh, you just gotta do this real quick, Brian. Come on, yeah. Can you do it? I'm now taking a shot of, well, nothing. Did anyone do that joke? I've heard there was jokes. That is a very cool SIM card ejection tool, I must say. Thumbs up for the unboxing experience. I didn't expect this at all. So let's see what else you get in this box. It's because it's like, this cannot be like totally environmentally friendly option, because this box in itself really has some weight to it. And then you, of course, that will add to the shipping cost and the carbon footprint and so on, what else you call it. It's like it could be taken out, but I think it will perhaps have some kind of glue somewhere. I would like to take this out, damn it. But no. Wow. I just love unboxing, so that's why I wanted to share this with you. Let's do it. I mean, honestly, this is like unclothing Sandra Berger. Very tedious. And you gotta find all the right places to pull. I meant unboxing. Sorry, Sandra. Ooh. Okay, so now I got it unboxed, and there was a few people that mentioned that this back glass panel would be very susceptible for fingerprint, and that of course Maybe so, but I didn't want to go for the white version because this is not a white version phone now, is it? I must say the feel I get is like very much an iPhone 12. I'm just trying to power it on. It has volume up, down on this side, a mic on this side, power on, off on this side, and you have the left centered camera bump. It looks like, yeah, we got some sort of protective shield plastic coating on the screen, I can tell. And at the bottom you got the SIM tray, USB-C, another mic, and a speaker. But of course the very cool design is what you're coming from for when you buy this phone. And that's also the reason why I bought it, and of course also to try the UI, because don't we really need another UI? But here it is, nothing, and let's hope it holds up to its promise of delivering nothing. Sorry, there are an endless amount of jokes. But there you go. This has been lying idle. I saw the production date from this was July 2022. So it's been lying idle from then to now. And now we are in, actually as I'm unboxing this, is the 1st of September 2023. But there we go. Hello, it says, and connect to a network and plug in your SIM card. I'll do all this setting up, and perhaps I'll just say bye for now, or perhaps I'll come back with some more info. But anyhow, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'll see you around.